sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Chili. He's a
So you
dog,
sniff-
so I call him Chili Dog. And I dropped some cocaine on his back, and I was forced to do the entire rail with my buddy JoJo the Stormcloud.
Strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon.